my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Akanksha for everyone who don't know me, and today I am going to take you to a beautiful lookout, and I'm pretty sure you'll be very surprised to see this place. An hour and a half drive from Sydney, and you park beside the road. There's like a little parking area, and from there it's about 20 minutes walk to the lookout. It says on the National Parks website that it's 2 hours return, 1 kilometer return, but it's not. It's pretty small, pretty easy, pretty flat until now. So quite a nice walk to start with, and let's see how it turns out actually.
Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend, I never listened. Trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it.
So after like about 15 minutes of walking, we are here at the lookout. Not as we expected, but
we were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
we're heading on to Box Head Lookout, and now we are walking. It's about 30 minutes walk from here, and let's see how this place turns out. I feel like it's going to be a very stunning sunset because the clouds and the sun, perfect combination.
I only miss you when you're gone, baby, gone. 'Cause in my heart I know it don't belong. I think that's why you walk away.
So you can take your car to the lookout, but because it's gravel road, it's recommended that you only take 4-wheel drives with like a very good ground clearance because the road's not great. We parked our car just where the proper road ended, and now we are walking. It's a bit of a walk, but it's flat. It's not uphill. I can see a lot of people's cars parked around here. Like, I think there you see. I think because they gave up, they couldn't take it any further. Good choice, because the road is really, really bad. Don't take your car, just walk. I know we should not, but we just jumped the fence and reached this spot. Oh my god, this looks fabulous. Wow. I can't wait to show you.